Hello, children. Welcome back once again in our literature class, and I hope all of you are doing very well. So, today we are going to start one new story, the story of a great story. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is a story of a man who spent 4 years and 4 months all alone on an island. So, this story is all about a man who spent 4 years alone on an island. Okay, so let's start. 200 years ago, a young man lived in Scotland whose name was Alexander Selkirk. He was a rough man with a bad temper. He was often causing trouble among his neighbors. So, 200 years ago, a young man lived in Scotland. Now, where is Scotland? Can you tell me? It's in Europe. Okay. And the young man's name was Alexander Selkirk. Okay. And how was he? He was very rough. Okay. And he had a very bad temper. Means who do not have any manners. Okay. And he always caused trouble with his neighbors. Okay. For this reason, many people were glad when he ran away from home and went to sea. We hope that he gets what he deserves, they said. Now, one day what happened? This Alexander Selkirk, the person, ran away from home, and where he went? He went to the sea. And his neighbors felt very glad, okay, that he finally left them. Okay, and what did they tell? We hope, means they are hoping that whatever Alexander Selkirk deserves, he should get that. Okay, now Alexander was big and strong and soon became a fine sailor. But he was still a very stubborn man. He got into trouble with the other sailors due to his bad temper. So soon, what happened? Alexander became big and strong, and he also became a fine seller. Now, who is a seller? Who sells ship. Okay, so he became a very fine seller, but he still lacked the manner. He was very stubborn man. Now, what does this word mean? Stubborn means who do not listen to any other person. So, children, stubbornness is very bad because you have to listen to your elders. Okay? Now, he got into trouble with the other sellers also due to his temper. Because since he was mannerless, since he had no sense how to behave with the other persons, so there also with other sellers also he got into trouble. Once his ship was sailing in the great Pacific Ocean. It was 400 miles from the coast of South America. Selkirk had become even more unpleasant. Now, tell me, okay, here we got one name of the ocean, that is Pacific Ocean. Now, children, can you tell me any other names of any ocean? Name any two oceans, other two oceans. Okay, give the answer for you. It's Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so one day their ship was sailing in the Pacific Ocean and it was 400 miles from the coast of South America, and Selkirk had become very unpleasant. Now, forgot to behave properly. Okay, unpleasant means he became very rude. Okay, he started quarreling with other sailors, including the captain of the ship. Now, quarreling means arguing. He again started arguing also with other sailors, and He did not even spare the captain also. Okay. I would rather live alone on a deserted island than be a sailor on this ship, he said. Now, what did Alexander Selkirk said? He said that he would live alone, okay, on a deserted island. Now, what does this word mean? Desert is mean where there is no people, okay. It's totally isolated area. Okay, there he wants to live alone. Okay, very well, answered the captain. We shall put you ashore on the first island that we see. Now the captain, what did the captain said? He said, very well, I'll put you there only. The first island we will see, we will put you there only. Do so, said Shelcock. You cannot please me better. Now Shelcock said, yes, yes, do it. The very next day, they saw a little green island. There were groves of trees near the shore and high hills beyond them. So, the very next day, they saw a green island and it was full of trees. Groves means group of trees. Okay, groups of trees and high hills also. What is the name of this island? Asked Shelkart. Juan Fernandez, said the captain. So, children, what was the name of the island? It was Juan Fernandez. Set me on the shore and leave me there. Give me a few common tools and some food, and I'll be happy and satisfied, said the sailor. Now, who is the sailor? Alexander is the sailor, and what he is telling to the captain that okay, leave me there and give me some common tool. Tools are all those equipments that we use for building a home. Okay, you can say, or for as a defense also. He can use it as a defense also. Okay, so he wanted some tools and some foods. Okay, and he will be happy and satisfied. Okay, so children, for today only this much. Okay, so next day when we will meet again, we will complete the rest portion of the chapter. Until that time, go through the text properly. Okay, and take care of yourself, and thank you.